In addition to the example of a long CFD trade, we're just going to walk through a full short sell CFD trade as if we were hold it overnight and close it out the next day. Again, we're going to go with CBA, an opening price of $55. In this case, being a short sell, we're selling to open the position, so we're minus 1,000 there. Commission paid is exactly the same as a long. It's still going to be 0.1% of the full notional value, so therefore it's going to be $55. No GST applicable yet again. Our total exposure, 55,000. 1,000 obviously CBA at $55. Margin on CBA 5% would leave us with a margin of 2,750. Therefore, initial outlay very similar to when we're going long, $2,805. Next day, CBA drops in our favour. We want to buy it back. It's currently trading at $54. We want to buy back 1,000. Means the size of the position we're going to close is slightly less. It's 54,000, which is what we want in a short position. Therefore, 0.1% of the 54,000 is $54. Again, no GST applicable. In this case, this is another big difference to taking a long position. We can see here, instead of paying interest overnight, we're going to receive interest overnight, which is a big benefit. It's 3% because we've taken a base rate of 5%. Let's say the RBA is at 5% for the example's sake, and we're going to minus the 2% margin, which means we'll be getting paid 3% per annum on that position, which gives us a daily financing rate we receive for overnight for holding that position of $4.52. Keeping in mind we take the closing price of the day, which is going to be this $55 up here. Okay, that's how we came to our $4.52 for financing that we receive. Therefore, total outlay is $2,854.48 because we we subtract from our total outlay the financing received instead of add, which we do in a long. Our gross profit, exactly the same, it's 1,000, it's dropped $1. We sold it at 55, we're buying it back at 54. Still the same gross profit. Net profit slightly higher on $895.52 because we're taking away the commissions but adding the financing. And again, if you look at that, therefore the return on investment is 31.37%, which is really high.